Okay, we are going to start question number 3, which is that the diagram shows the curve y is equal to exponential of 2x and y is equal to 8 exponential of negative x. Okay, we have two curves. One is y is equal to exponential of 2x, which is increasing. So this one is increasing. So y is equal to exponential of 2x. We plug x is equal to 0. We will have y is equal to 1. So this is the point which is 0 comma 1. And there is another curve which is y is equal to 8 times exponential of negative x, which is decreasing. So this one is decreasing. Y is equal to 8 times exponential of negative x, and when we plug x is equal to 0, so y is equals to 8. So this point is 0 comma 8. Okay, the shaded region is bounded by two curves and y-axis. Okay, this one is the shaded region. Show the x coordinate of the point of intersection of two curves is ln2. We need to find the x coordinate of this intersecting point, and we know that if we have two curves and two equations, the intersecting point can be found by solving those equations simultaneously. So we have y is equal to exponential of 2x and y is equal to 8 times exponential of negative x. We need to solve them simultaneously, so equate y is equal to y. So we will have exponential of 2x equals to 8 times exponential of negative x, and this one is equals to exponential of 2x is equals to 8 over exponential of x. So this will become exponential of 2x times exponential of x equals to 8, and 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3. So we have exponential of 3x is equals to 2 to the power of 3, and on both sides we have ln exponential of 3x is equals to ln 2 times 3, and we know that the ln a to the power of b is equals to b ln a. So this equation becomes 3 times x ln e equals to 3 times ln 2, and we also know that ln e is equals to 1. So we will have 3x is equals to 3 ln 2, and x will be cancelled out, and we will have x coordinate which is equals to ln 2. So we have calculated the x coordinate of point of intersection, which is ln 2. Okay, find the area of shaded region. We need to find the area of this shaded region, and we know that if we integrate this curve from 0 to intersecting point from this x coordinate of this intersecting point, which is ln2, and we know that if we integrate this curve from limit 0 to ln2, we will get this curve. Similarly, if we integrate this curve from limit 0 to ln2, we will get this curve. So shaded region can be achieved by subtracting this curve from this curve. So area is equals to integration from 0 to ln2, subtracting this curve from this curve. So this one is 8 exponential of negative x minus exponential of 2x with respect to dx. So area is integration of exponential of negative x is remains same, divided by derivative of power, which is negative 1, and 8 is multiple remains same, minus exponential integration of exponential of 2x is exponential of 2x remains same, divided by 2. Okay, and the limit is 0 to ln 2. Now we apply limit, which says that 8 exponential of negative ln 2 over negative 1 minus exponential of 2 times ln 2 over 2 minus, now apply limit, lower limit, which is 0. So x8 times exponential of negative 0 over negative 1 minus exponential of 0 over 2. Okay, and this one is equals to the, we can apply property here, a ln b is equals to the ln b to the power of e. So negative 1 before the ln 2, so we can write it 8 times exponential of ln 2 to the power of negative 1 over negative 1 minus, similarly, exponential of ln 2 to the power of 2 over 2 minus 8 times exponential of 0 is 1, so negative 8 minus exponential of 0 is 1, so minus 1 over 2. Okay, we can cancel exponential or ln will be cancelled out, so we will have negative 8 2 to the power of negative 1 minus, this one will also cancel, so we will have 2 to the power of 2 over 2 and minus minus plus, so plus 8 minus time negative 1 over 2 is positive 1 over 2. So negative 8 over 2, this 2 will cancel the power 2, so we will have negative 2 here and plus 8 plus 1 over 2. So this will equal to negative 4. So we will have negative 4 minus 2 plus 8 plus 1 over 2, and this one is equals to the negative 6 plus 8, which is 2. So 2 plus 1 over 2, and area will be 5 over 2 unit square.